Oh my god.
So we don't want that for you. So please do not cross it. Okay.
Can't believe my
I know
eyes.
you've been in the Great Hall for a matter of moments.
We are at the Warner Brothers Harry Potter Studio Tour in London. And we're going in. We have tickets. One for butterbeer and another for the entrance.
Do we have anyone celebrating their birthday today? Yeah, if you'd like to make your way forward today. Yeah, make some space. Okay. And yesterday? My birthday helpers, and make your way in, guys. This is the one, the only Great Hall of Hogwarts. It was one of the
Oh my god.
So we don't want that for you. So please do not cross it. Okay.
Can't believe my
I know
eyes.
you've been in the Great Hall for a matter of moments. The thing will turn red, and out will pop a piece of parchment. If someone could please pick that up and read who the lucky champion is. Who is it going to be from? Is it going to be from Hogwarts? Will it be from Beauxbaton or Durmstrang? What does it say? Cedric Diggory. Tap on the floor. Do a little tap on so you will see that it is real York flagstone, just like you find in most British castles and cathedrals up and down the country. From the very first window, the filmmakers realised that this set would endure a lot of precious piece for the purpose of the tour today. Now the lights are low, the tables are dressed, the fires are sort of burning, and this is what we call in the film industry a hot.
my god. Behind us. I can't imagine like the amount of effort they put in for every single set.
10 years of filming.
Yeah, it just completely blows me away to see like the dedication, the amount of effort like they put into the props, the costumes and everything just completely blows me away. I can't fathom how someone can put in so much effort into something to make it like real for us.
I'm Paul Harris and I was the choreographer of the battle scenes in Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix, along with the director David.
You're a wizard, Harry.
Finished the tour and we're at the Harry Potter shop and gonna get some souvenirs back home.
Playing the role. She was just an immense fan. She had all the quotes that she loved from the Harry Potter books and the films all around her bedroom. She had all the merchandise, all the stuff from Harry Potter.
Gotten some souvenirs for my friends. These are like 5 types of brooch. So like 5 of my friends, each of them can have one like that. Very much love to buy these, but the question is, number 1, it's £26, which is a bit pricey. And second question is, how do I transport it back? In my little brooch over here for £8. And I got a scarf. This is £27. Looks good. The material is like really soft. I don't know, it just looks really soft. Good. Gryffindor scarf here for £27. Are you Gryffindor? Slytherin? Did you choose your size?
I went with excess. I don't know.
Can I put my stuff? Sure.
Oh, it feels so good. Oh my god. I want to wear it like on a daily basis.
She does have small hands. Yeah. Who has big hands? He's like, oh my god, he's so cute.
was geworden.